Hello students, now I'll take your social science class for class 7. Everyone take out your social science book and take out books page number 138. Today we'll learn this chapter number 5 of geography and elements of weather and climate. Today we'll learn this chapter elements of weather and climate. So students, now we'll know what is the weather. Weather and climate. Weather is a state of the atmosphere at given place on area and over a short period of time. Climate, on the other hand, is an average weather condition prevailing in place over a long period of time, about 35 years. The comparison between weather and climates is given in table 1. Temperature, atmospheric pressure and winds are three common elements of weather and climate that determine the influence on them on the earth in the short run and long run respectively. And here is the temperature and temperature. The temperature of atmosphere, the measurement warmth, the hotness of the coldness of molecules of air that heat and lends the temperature to the atmosphere. And students, see here the table difference between the weather and climate. So student, this is the difference between among them and weather and climate. State atmosphere over a small area and short period of time, and climate state weather of a large area and over a long period of time. Its elements of temperature, pressure and winds, and each the elements the same but includes only the conditions over a longer period of time. A small changes any to the elements and may be changed in weather, and small changes in short period does not affect in climate. Weather may be cold, hot and sunny or rainy during the particular season. The world divided into the several climates zone. Now we'll learn about the insolation. The sun radiance heat the direction is it is knows that solar radiation the earth receives only 2 millions and part of heat the radiated by the sun, and due to its the distance from the sun, the solar radiation that reaches the surface of the earth is known as insolation. In means coming and solar and action radiation and incoming solar radiation horizontally the decreases from the sun, the equator to the poles and the varies to the place to place on the earth. And next one is the heating and atmosphere. The atmosphere gets heated by the three processes: the convection, conduction and radiation. Out of the 100 units, only 51 units are received on the earth's surface. The remaining is either the reflected of the observed by the atmosphere. The 51 units received by the earth and surface, they are radiated and back to space through the conduction and radiation, or is the carried back to atmosphere by the talent and the latent and heated over the vapor. It is the radiated by the earth and back to the atmosphere is called the terrestrial radiation. The atmosphere gets heated and up by the terrestrial and radiation from the below. And next one is temperature zone. The earth is divided into 3 temperature zone or heat zone, and the torrid temperature and the frigid and wort division. To help us know about the cold and earth and torrid zone and regions are existing throughout the year to temperature zones and neither to cold and hot. Here is an equable climate and extreme climate difference. Everyone learn this at your home. And now we'll learn the factors that affecting temperature. The factor affecting temperature is latitude, altitude, the distance from the sea, winds and ocean current, and the direction of mountains, that's it. Okay. And here is the measurement of temperatures. Okay. So we will learn today from here, and every student learn this chapter, this one at your home. This is your homework. Okay, bye bye.